Once upon a time, in a dense forest, a small fire struggled to stay alive. The wind was strong and the rain was heavy. The fire feared it would be extinguished at any moment. Just as the fire was about to give up, a wise old tree leaned down and whispered, "Don't focus on being a big fire, focus on being a hot fire." The small fire listened and concentrated on burning brighter and hotter. As it did, it began to warm the surrounding trees and dry the rain soaked leaves. Soon, the fire's heat ignited the dry leaves, and a larger fire began to spread. The small fire realized that its small size was actually a strength, allowing it to warm and ignite the world around it. Moral: sometimes our limitations can become our greatest strengths. Focus on what you can control, and your impact will be greater than you ever imagined.